In this video, I'd like to talk about what the shell is. On the screen here, you can see we have a computer, which can be any computer. It can be your laptop, desktop, whatever. On the other side, we have something called a server. A server is the same thing as a computer. The difference is it doesn't shut down and it's designed to be accessed remotely. The way the shell works is we remotely access the server from our computer. This process is known as logging into the server, or SSH into the server. SSH stands for Secure Shell. Once we access the server, our computer becomes a terminal where we can manipulate the files and directories on the server remotely. One advantage to this is we can have multiple computers accessing the same server. For example, we have a company with 100 employees, and all these employees need to access the same files and directories. By having them all connect to the server, they can easily share files and directories. Also, the server can be accessed by many different locations, so we're not tied to one place. The one disadvantage is there is no GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, which is what a lot of us are used to today. When working on a server, we need to use something called the command line, which basically is just some textual commands that will do operations like making a directory or changing a directory. In this class, we are going to learn about the command line and how to interact with the server using just the command line. There will be no GUI involved, and even though at first it may seem a little difficult, actually, over time, you'll find that you can be faster using the command line than if you're using a graphical user interface.